Air India Flight 171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad on June 12, 2025. The flight was bound for London Gatwick and experienced catastrophic failure minutes into its ascent, resulting in 246 fatalities. This incident is under investigation to uncover the causes and prevent future tragedies. On June 12, 2025, at 13:38 local time, Air India Flight 171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, departed Ahmedabad for London Gatwick. Weather conditions were moderate, and pre-flight checks were completed without issues. Despite a routine start, the aircraft experienced catastrophic failure shortly after takeoff, leading to a tragic crash. Flight AI-171 carried 230 passengers and 12 crew members, totaling 242 individuals. Among the passengers, 169 were Indian nationals, 53 British, 7 Portuguese and 1 Canadian. The crash site was the densely populated Meghaninagar area, affecting a residential building and a medical student hostel, highlighting the international and local impact of this tragedy. The crash resulted in 246 fatalities, including 241 on the aircraft and 5 medical students in the impacted building. 1 passenger survived with critical injuries. Emergency teams treated numerous victims with burns, traumatic injuries, and smoke inhalation. The local hospital system activated its mass casualty protocol, mobilizing regional medical professionals to manage the overwhelming casualties. The Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, known for its fuel efficiency and advanced technology, had no prior fatal incidents before this tragedy. Operated by Air India, the aircraft was a recent addition to their fleet, in service for 5 years with regular maintenance. Despite its strong safety record, the Dreamliner faced technical challenges early on. Flight AI-171's cockpit communications reveal a swift crisis. Initially, takeoff was confirmed normal, but soon, thrust not achieved was reported, followed by falling and a mayday call. This indicates a sudden engine power loss, compounded by potential electrical issues, all unfolding in just 2 minutes, leaving minimal time for response. Air traffic control activated the emergency response plan immediately after losing contact with Flight AI-171. Local fire and rescue teams arrived swiftly, facing aircraft wreckage and building damage. Rescue efforts focused on the collapsed medical student hostel, where survivors were trapped. Despite urban challenges, first responders heroically managed access and controlled fires from spilled fuel. Recovery teams swiftly located both black boxes crucial for the investigation. The cockpit voice recorder, slightly damaged, captures pilot conversations and cockpit sounds. The flight data recorder, moderately damaged, logs vital aircraft parameters. Experts are confident the data is recoverable, offering insights into the aircraft's performance and potential failure sequence before the crash. India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, with United States National Transportation Safety Board support, leads the investigation. Boeing provides technical expertise, and Air India cooperates fully. United States experts will analyze black boxes by June 15th. The investigation covers mechanical systems, human factors, and environmental conditions, including weather and bird activity, alongside air traffic control communications and emergency response coordination. Aviation experts highlight the alarming zero response time between failure indication and crash, pointing to catastrophic system degradation. The no-thrust message indicates a total engine power loss, a rare event in modern aircraft with redundant systems. Simulator analyses suggest the failure was systemic, beyond pilot control, occurring during the critical ascent phase, leaving minimal recovery options. Aviation experts are investigating the rare systemic failure affecting both engines. Theories include mechanical failure or power disruption compromising redundant systems. Pre-flight checks missed these issues, hinting at a latent defect or rapid cascading failure. Maintenance records are under scrutiny for prior problem indicators. The AI-171 crash underscores critical aviation safety concerns, challenging the Dreamliner's safety record. Experts advocate for rigorous pre-flight inspections of propulsion and power systems. Boeing faces scrutiny over redundancy designs to prevent dual-engine failures. This incident may prompt redesigns and modifications of Dreamliner systems alongside improved crew training and real-time monitoring to enhance safety. The AI-171 crash received extensive global media coverage, with major outlets interrupting regular programming. Communities in India, the United Kingdom, and beyond held memorials and vigils. Social media saw hashtags like non-AI-171 trending as people shared memories. Air India set up a hotline for families, and embassies provided support for identification and repatriation efforts. The crash claimed lives from diverse backgrounds: 169 Indians, 53 British, 7 Portuguese, and 1 Canadian. Many were visiting family or attending celebrations. Tragically, 5 medical students perished in their hostel, aspiring to save lives. The sole survivor, seated at the aircraft's rear, remains anonymous, highlighting the profound personal impact behind the statistics. The AI-171 crash is the first fatal incident for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, a model with a strong safety record since 2011. Despite early technical challenges, the Dreamliner has been a symbol of modern aviation safety. This tragic event is an anomaly in an era marked by significant advancements in aircraft safety. The Federal Aviation Administration and National Transportation Safety Board have dispatched investigators, with global aviation authorities considering precautionary inspections of 787 Dreamliners. Boeing is conducting an internal review and assisting at the crash site. Airlines like Air India are performing voluntary safety stand-downs, with some grounding their fleets. Pilot unions seek briefings on failure modes, highlighting the industry's proactive safety measures. The crash underscores the importance of real-time data monitoring to detect issues early. Enhanced simulator training for rare scenarios can better equip crews for emergencies. International cooperation, as seen between Indian authorities and global partners, is crucial for aviation safety. These lessons highlight the need for continuous improvement in safety systems and emergency procedures. The investigation focuses on black box analysis to reconstruct the event sequence and identify system failures. A technical audit will inspect components for mechanical issues. A preliminary report will be published within 30-60 days, offering an initial assessment of causal factors. Metallurgical and electrical tests will further explore material and power failures. The AI-171 crash may lead to new safety regulations, emphasizing redundancy in critical systems and stricter certification standards. Industry-wide audits of Dreamliner systems could be mandated, potentially extending to other aircraft models. Enhanced pilot air traffic control communication protocols during emergencies may be developed, prioritizing critical information. This tragedy could drive a reassessment of aircraft system design to handle cascading failures. The AI-171 tragedy marks a pivotal moment in aviation, challenging the safety perceptions of advanced aircraft. The ongoing investigation underscores a commitment to uncovering the truth, implementing safety improvements, and supporting affected families. Ultimately, the legacy of Flight AI-171 will be measured by the lives saved through the lessons it imparts.